You're watching How Leap. Let's learn how to remove the gray arrow from your iPhone screen. This arrow appears at the top of your screen when an app is actively using your precise location. To remove it, you need to change that app's location permissions. Open your Settings app and tap Privacy and Security. Then tap Location Services. You will see a list of all your apps. Look for the app that currently has the gray arrow next to its name. Tap on that specific app. You will see options for location access. Never ask next time or when I share while using the app, and always to stop the arrow. Select never if you don't want the app to use location at all. If you still want the app to function, choose while using the app instead of always. This will make the arrow disappear when the app is in the background. After changing the setting, the gray arrow should vanish from your screen immediately. The arrow is a privacy indicator, so removing it means that app is no longer accessing your location in the background. For more simple iPhone tutorials, subscribe to the channel.